Product introduction, air conditioning installation and adjusting trainer. This is our air conditioning training equipment. Far left, look over. Here is a faulty box. Faulty box. This is the evaporator. Then the expansion valve. Then this globe valve. Manual globe valve. Air conditioner compressor. Then high and low pressure gauges. This way. Condenser. And liquid storage tank. Drying bottle. Down here. A water-cooled evaporator. Expansion valve. Water tank. And water pump. And pump noir. Water tank. This is a water-cooled condenser. Floater. UV panel diagram. This is a pipeline for the entire air conditioning system. Schematic diagram. Then here is the switch for training. Start switch. And the power meter. Cooling temperature. Ambient temperature. And the thermostat. So here's a little circuit diagram of the system. In the second step, we run a power-up test. Then we first prepare the power cord. Access our input port. Reconnect test power. Then turn on the switch. Then turn on the leakage protection switch on our panel. Then press the start button. Power button and compressor. Then start A. Then start R. Then the whole system is already running. After the device is running, this is a temperature control pressure gauge. A gauge for pressure control. The pressure can be adjusted here. Let it be set to each value. Then the compressor can stop working or keep working. There's also a thermostat over here. And now it's set to 16 degrees. When it reaches 16 degrees, this will disconnect the compressor circuit. So let's do a little demo. Let's disconnect the no fault first. Power on start system. Then found this side. Evaporator fan not turning. Then we find the corresponding circuit diagram and use the universal meter. Measure here it is an AC signal voltage. We measure the gear adjusted to AC. Measure if there is 220 volts here. I found that there is no voltage here. We are in. Failure to disconnect. Measure on and off. We are measuring on and off. Put it in buzzer gear. I found that this doesn't work either. but it has electricity. Then it is confirmed here that it is this line. To the switch here is a short circuit state. Wait a minute, we reset the switch. Reset fault switch. Found this one, it's a pass. Then the fan also started to turn. Then the same is true for other faults later. To check and measure. There are 5 faults in total. The third step is to discuss safety issues. During use, here is a fan, an evaporative fan. During the operation of the equipment, the fan will rotate at high speed. We must not stuff it with our fingers or foreign objects. Cause loss, harming our personal safety. The one here is also a high-speed fan. There is also a circuit diagram above. And the zero line of fire here is R in volts. AC voltage. We are in the solid line process. The whole assembly measurement must pay attention to safety, or power failure measurement.